Hi guys, it's Sarah and Christine.
And today we're doing an unboxing of our favorite holiday kits.
So we made these cute boxes. Each box has our favorite routine that we recommend for you guys. And this is the Glow Gang holiday box.
So we're going to open it up to show you inside. Every box is packed with pink tissue.
So cute.
The Glow Gang set is an assortment of our favorite Glow recipe products.
So it has the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser,
the Pink Juice Moisturizer, and the Watermelon Mask.
in very cute small sizes, perfect for travel. And then the Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, which recently launched.
An additional thing is that every one of these pink boxes comes with a limited edition trio of pins. It's our favorite avocado and watermelon sister characters.
I love these pins. We love them so much that we decided to wear them ourselves. So the second set is called Clear Skin 2019. This is a routine that we recommend for anyone that has acne or breakout issues and want to just even out the skin tone and texture. The first product is Charcoal Chai Tea Pore Refining Glow Pad. This is an exfoliation pad that you can use 2 or 3 times a week. If you have super sensitive skin, start with twice a week and then just work your way up. As you can see, it's a pad that has gray, naturally tinted color from the charcoal powder. And you can actually put your fingers in this pad and then just sweep through to get clear skin.
The Clear Skin 2019 set also has a cult favorite, the Tea Tree 95 Essence. It's 95% tea tree extract, and it's from the brand Lee Ji-ham, which is a clinical brand from Korea that specializes in acne. And what's really amazing about this, and there's lots of reviews on our site as well, is that it's a really gentle option to treat breakouts really naturally versus like harsh exfoliants or super harsh ingredients.
From the same line, this is actually a really cool packaging. It looks like a syringe. It's the Tea Tree 70 spot. It has over 70% tea tree. I bring this around with me all day actually because it's so light. You just squeeze out a little bit, and all you need to do is use a little bit to dab onto your acne spot or wherever you have breakouts, and within a few hours you can already see it fading.
It's naturally tinted green to help alleviate the redness around the skin too. The next set is the Hydrate Me set. And this is just a collection of the most universal, loved products that are really about boosting hydration and radiance. Something I think everyone needs a little bit of during the holiday season.
Yeah, so the first product in the set is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Not only is it important to make sure you're always hydrated, which actually this has a ton of hyaluronic acid in the formula, but it also has AHA, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin every day.
And then the next product is the Wamisa Deep Rich Toner. This is a cult item. It really took off when we started the 7 Skin method, which was a craze in Korea and really became a phenomenon here as well, where you layer your toner multiple times. And because it's liquid hydration, it really just helps to plump up the skin from within. And this is your favorite way to do that, and our favorite way as well.
Yeah, 7 Skin method really transformed my skin and a lot of your skin, so highly recommend using that this holiday season. And then personally, I'm obsessed with this moisturizer. It's called Micro Tension Cream Hydrate Me, and this comes from Make Prem, which is one of our favorite brands as well from Korea. This product has a very luxurious, bouncy, rich texture that is so quick to absorb into the skin. So it's actually great for all skin types. If you have dry skin, you can just layer 2 layers actually onto the skin at the last step of your night routine. If you have oily skin like me, you just use a small amount and apply all over your face, and you'll see the difference in the hydration level.
So besides these kits we've just introduced to you, there are more curated kits on our site, so be sure to check out glowrecipe.com.
We'll also add the links in the description below. So this is a set that we're really excited about. It's beautiful just to look at, but also it's a fashion moment. It is the Watermelon Jelly Tote set. Not only does it come with these cute mini-size watermelon mask in pink juice and the jelly sheet mask, which is amazing for your travel, it also comes with this really fun jelly tote.
We love how you guys have been styling this all over Instagram. We've seen amazing pictures of like you guys carrying it as your daily bag and your tote to work. So it's a real fashion moment.
And the value is really incredible. It's actually $51 total without the tote. And now it's $35. We only made limited quantities of this tote, so make sure you get it while you can.
So the next kit is from one of our newer brands. We love this brand. We're so excited to have launched it on our site. brand is called July because it's all about summer, healthy, radiant skin all year long.
I love the name.
So they've created a really fun holiday box. And as Mariah Carey would say,
it's very festive.
Out of this range of products, we currently have the Bounce Essence Oil Toner, also nicknamed the Blue Capsule Toner, on our site. It's this amazingly bouncy, super hydrating toner that has little blue oil capsules that pop on the skin when you apply it.
It's really satisfying. And we're also introducing 3 new products in the set within the July range. We're really excited to introduce to you the Moisture Essence Oil Toner. This oil toner is really amazing for those that have extra dry skin, but also it's very, very lightweight. We love using both. The Bounce for the night routine because it has oil capsules that pop as you apply the product. And then the Moisture Oil Toner is amazing for your morning routine.
It really plumps up the skin before makeup. And in the winter, oils are a must-have to keep skin nourished. And this set actually comes with 2 different types of oils, both of which we love for their different textures. So the thin oil is this really beautiful, almost like dry oil that's really lightweight.
And it's really cooling.
And
I love using it in the morning.
Oh yeah, because it like sinks into the skin, but it still sits well under makeup, gives a little hint of that glow, but doesn't feel heavy at all.
The thick oil feels really luxurious and comforting, but it's not too heavy actually. It absorbs really quickly into the skin. I love using it at nighttime. It's kind of like my warm blanket. If you're feeling really stressed out or lazy, because we all get lazy sometimes, this is actually amazing gift options for you. The boxes come as they are, so you can just gift them and not have to do any extra work.
And FYI, everyone in my life, you're getting one of these.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get your glow on.